Cute. I saw it when I got off the freeway. I'm like, oh, okay, the Silverton. So that was a shitty bonus. Oh, I forgot I was betting $5. I'm supposed to low roll. I'm supposed to low roll. 250. I'm afraid to press anything. The people that want to join me are trying to pop in and it mutes us or something, remember? Hi, you guys. Thanks for coming in. We don't have a lot of watchers. I wonder what's going on. Drop it. We'll go when my drink gets here. Oh, shit, one more. Oh, yeah. Well, that was exciting. I got two majors. I hope you guys are having a good Friday. Oh, it's Friday. Uh-oh. Here she is. Thank you. Your outfits are cute. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, hold on. The other girl brought me like a glass. That's what I should have said. The other girl brought me a tall glass of soda and then the shot on the side. And she goes, you add it. Because see, look at this glass now is smaller. So you add it. That way you get more. So I think the next drink, I'll do that. It's not very strong. I don't need it strong. It's good though. Did I say Tito's to her, you guys? It doesn't taste like Tito's. Maybe she thought I wasn't going to be a tipper. I told you guys the secret to that, right? If you're not a tipper, you're just going to get well. You could ask for whatever you want to ask, and you ain't going to get it. Uh-oh. I know Vanna's a server. Or they won't come back around. Oh, we got it. Yeah, they won't come back around. How's everybody doing? Do they have Little Shop of Horse? Uh, I didn't hit. We can walk around, but I didn't do a lot of that. They have everything. Like they have Dollar Storm. They have all kinds of stuff. We can venture and look. Oh, look, more Dragon Links behind me. I did good, huh? Two majors, you guys. Uh oh. Come on. Oh, that's $47 so far. That's spin. Make it good, baby. Nope. Hi, you guys. The machines in Vegas are better, huh? Why does it sound so weird? I don't know. Maybe it's better. You guys are used to seeing me over and up. Is it my stream? You get how? Really, Warren? I didn't know that. It tastes different, so maybe the lady before was giving me something good. I moved from her section. That was over by the Dragon Link. Do it again. Let's see. 2 cents. Yeah. What is that? Oh, $3. Yeah, $3 is good. Drop it. Oh, we got it. Well, I tell you, we're on a. They're doing okay, but it's fine. You're fools. Okay, the audio is a little weird. It's almost too clear. Oh, well, that's a good thing. Maybe the internet's better. You guys are so used to having crappy internet with me. What's that? A retrigger? Yes. Oh my god. You guys know I get treated like crap on these games. You guys already know my story. I struggle all the time, but I'm loyal to the same freaking casino. So, uh oh. Oh shit. We got it? We got it! Choo choo, motherfuckers! Hi, everybody. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. Let's go. Share me out. Let's get some people in here since we're live. Oh, and don't forget to follow me. I reached 20K, you guys. So let's get. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, there we go. These are double, you guys. I think it's already double on the board, right? Oh, we need some big old maxis. Do it, baby. Do it. Oh, there we go. Big one. Oh, we got a mini. We got to get another train, though. That's the rule. Ooh. No. Damn it. Oh, we got it. Hey, what happens if I fill it up? The board. What happens? Uno más para todo. Oh, another mini. Oh, what's the chances of that? That would be great. It would be the 8,000, you guys. That one. Do it, baby. Drop it. Give it to me. Oh, it's all slow too, huh? How you guys? You would get the grand. Oh, well, I didn't get it. Hi, you guys. Thank you for joining me. Thank you. Thanks for sharing the live. We're in Vegas. All right. Oh, I forgot. Oh, we got it again. Oh, I forgot we were in bonus. I'm gonna try and find my AirPods. I gotta take it out of my ear. I'm just gonna throw it in my purse. I know. I know. I gotta come over here more often. It's not that far. It's just a skip and a jump. Boop. Okay, we need something big, like a mega baby. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Cheers. Oh, that's double $27. Come on, another train. Yes. That's a great bonus. It's 2 cents, you guys, so it's double, so I got $200 down there so far. Oh! More me. Last one. All right. Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for following me. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going live Sunday. Oh, thank you, you guys. Thank you. Hey. Well, at least somebody does. Do it again. You guys are too funny. Easy, too. Like, what the hell's going on? He wants to talk cheese man. Is it about the cheese man? I know a little bit, but not a lot. Uh-oh, last spin. Do it again. All right, we got 300. We're gonna do like they do in the. We got $393. It is clear, huh? Vamos, chucho. I thought you said vamos chocolate. Yes, soy chocolate. Oh, I know. Dollars. Hey, although 2 cents is good, huh? I think I can do $5. Okay, we'll go, huh, soon. Fuck, I got it. It's on fire. Drop some big ones. 2 minis, you guys. Train, baby, train. Got it. We got it, you guys. One more. I know. Thank you for the hearts. I know. Look at it. Look at it. $390. Uh-oh. Last one. Drop it. Yes. Look at that ticket. $5 bet. My favorite bet. Oh no! get my first half pay here, eh? Drop it. 2 more tries. Okay, that's good. $800. Can I borrow like 20? Sure, come on over, Kathy. Almost. I think another one would have been good. Oh, it's printing out a ticket? Oh. Let's see what this ticket is. It printed out $821. I'm okay with it. That way we don't put it back. Right? Let's get it in my humongous purse. I'm not used to carrying a big purse at the casino. What's max? Oh, really? I think $25. I can't afford it. Okay, we did ones and twos and dollars. We'll do quarters. We'll leave at 300. So we can play some. I'm not familiar with quarters. Okay, 40 broken into. $5. There we go. Figured it out. Why are quarters hard? Do it, baby. Give us another bonus. Hey, you guys were doing great. I was losing bad. The security stood there and talked to me, so I figured it was okay. Hi, Brick. Hi, Jeju. Welcome in. Ultimate Fire League. Oh, I didn't see that. My game. Speaking of, we'll travel a little bit. I hope the other machines are just as nice. Aw. Thank you, you guys. Thanks for the follows. Going live again on Sunday. Okay, it's eating me up. I'm going back to my favorite one center. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Come on. Want me to stay, put another 100, or shall we go? I think we did. We already got everything out of it, huh? It was back-to-back bonuses. Hi. Thank you, guys. Oh, shit. I already went past it. Do 10 cents. Okay. One more. At 200, because we cashed out that other ticket, so we're good. Oh, I know. Let's do some 750. Let's get ballsy. Come on. I don't think so, though, huh? It gave me a lot, you guys. Oh. I'll drop it back down. Oh, that's good. Thank you. Thank you for coming in. What's your biggest win? I think like 17,000 a year ago. Little shop. All right, give me a minute. I think you better change the machine. Yeah, we are. At 200. It's Dunsky's home. It was good. Ah, not so fast. Choo-choo. Let's do it. I know I did, but look. Oh, we got a mini. $60. Let's drop it, you guys. Oh, we're on 10 cents. I forgot. Okay, we got that mini. Okay, we're back up to 300, girl. Hey, I haven't heard anything about my bracelets. I gotta email them. They keep sending me like discounts for other things, but nothing on my bracelets. Let's get something big. Something big. Look at you guys. This machine's on fire.
Would you like another one?
Oh, you scared me. Yeah, but you know what? Can you do Tito's this time? I don't think it was Tito's. I know. Oh, look what happened. The girl earlier, she gave me like a tall glass of soda and then the shot of Tito.
Okay.
Because I need a taller one. Otherwise, I'm going to get...
Right?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. guys. This reminds me of my daughter. I'll give her $5 this time because I'm winning. Drop it. Last one. Yes. How you guys? Hey, 2,000 in here. Share me out and follow me. Thank you. We're in Vegas. Let me find some money. The thing about me, you guys get to see everything. My messy purse. Hey. My chargers. I hope they're charged. Oh, thank you for the confetti. Let's find her some money. My glasses that should be in a case and not just thrown in there. Because I'm going to scratch them up. Oh my god. Oh shit. Well, I was going to give her $5, but all we got is hundreds. Hold on, you guys. Yeah. All right, never mind. $2 for now. I'll make it up, okay? Don't get on me about it. Don't get about it. What should we do next, you guys? Continue. Well, I gotta wait for the drink. See how fast it goes? Hi, everybody. What casino? I'm in Vegas. The videos earlier say where I'm at. I don't want to get in trouble, even though we don't get in trouble that much anymore. Should I stay on dimes, you guys? 50 cents? I know, back and forth like there's no 50 cents. Oh, nickels. The dreaded nickels. $5. Oh, we got it. Okay. I'll be in Vegas. Go to drums. Oh yeah, they have a lot of drums right by the entrance of the pond and stuff. Isn't that pond pretty? We need trains, you guys. That was cool earlier. We got the trains. Uh-oh. Re-trigger. We only get 5 chances left. I hope you guys can see. But we're already at $34.37. Anything's a win. Our ticket's good. We did good on this game, you guys. I don't do good on this game over at my local at all. Last spin. $75. Oh, mamas. I'm gonna stay on nickels for a minute. Come on. The best ones are the trains, huh? Okay, the bonus with the trains. That was amazing. We cashed out a $700 ticket, you guys, and look, we have another $700 in there. So, yeah, we're good. Oh, shit. We're taking that money with us for Sunday. Let me read you guys. I'm so used to not reading. Hi. Thank you. Cash out at 8. We're at 6 something. But keep on wishful thinking, baby. Keep on wishful thinking. I'm going back to dollars. If I was going to go to pennies. I'm waiting for my drink and then we're going to go. It seems like every time we move it, though, we get something, huh? So let's get it. Oh, I can't believe how clear the screen is. Thank you, guys. Thanks for following me and joining me on Friday. I know some places are having storms, so I think California's supposed to, too. It was cloudy. That's what I heard. Oh, come on. Hurry up, waitress. Drop it. Oh, waitress. Oh, no, 2 cents. I like 2 cents, you guys. I'm going to do a couple $10. Just for the fun of it. Oh, no, I'm trouble. One more. Go 2 more. Yeah, I see how fast it goes. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Oh. Okay, see how bad it is? We gotta go. We already put a lot back in. I'm okay with it because we're ahead. Max bet pennies. How's everybody doing? Dimes again. Oh, I thought I had it. Times again, okay. Oh, we're gonna go when the drink gets here. I should lower it to 250, huh? Yeah, my husband called and said, rumor has it that you're meeting up with a bunch of YouTubers. Why is he being a smart aleck? I guess he's tired of me complaining all the time. We got it. You know, guys, they don't pay attention to women. I can complain and he's like, oh, did you see what happened? Blah, blah, blah. He is not, that's what keeps it grounded. Keeps me, uh-oh. What's the word? Me lo tira al, ¿cómo se dice? Al león, al Leo. Like, okay, whatever. Yeah, whatever. He'll tell me, you're not that important. Keeps me grounded. That's it. Oh, shit. Last one. Oh, we got $100 though. 200. That was double. We brought the ticket back up. Choo-choos. Oh, it was right there. Yeah. Facts of life. Facts of life. We're gonna go. We're just waiting for her to come back. But in the meantime, we're doing okay. What should I switch it to again? What one? Yeah, we want the train. It's gonna pay. Gracias. Oh, I'm on dimes. Okay, let's stay there. No, we're going to 2 cents. Max bet $10. A few. I'm scared. Oh, the lady next to me got awkward. Come on, baby. $19. Oh! I want it on $10, you guys. Back to 5. I think we're done. Huh. Couple quick stops. Okay. Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for joining me. Dollars again. I hope she hurried. She's taking forever. We're done. There you are. You know what? I want to give you more than that. Can you break 100 for me, or do you have to go somewhere to cash it? Can you break it? Yeah. I want to give you $5. I'll be right back. All right. Hurry, because this machine's beating me up. Okay. See how this is how the other girl did it. So I'm gonna give her $5, right? They're free, you guys. It beats paying $11. When I walked in, I paid $11 because I forgot that they were free. I'm in Vegas. I'm used to paying, so $5 is nothing. All right, let's clean up my mess so we can see what we're doing. How's everybody doing? $10 a few more times. It's coming. On the dollars? I hope you're right. I think we already got everything out of it. It would be amazing. I like $10. Uh-oh. Back to 5. I don't mind doing some 10s, but oh shit. It's done, huh? We're leaving when she comes back. A fast taps on dollars. Back to 2 cents. That's the one that's good. A couple $10 on 2 cents. Oh shit. Did you get your 5?
No.
No? Okay.
We're not allowed to.
I know. My daughter does the same thing. I came to visit her.
Where?
I'm live.
Wait.
You don't make that much money?
It depends. Which station?
I should introduce you to her because she got her friend a job. They asked her, do you know anybody? She's like, she makes good money. You'll get there. Thank you, girl. Is this your area?
Yes.
Because I'm going to move over there.
Yeah.
I was just waiting for you. Thank you. All right. $2.50. Huh? Oh, I was doing $10. I'll do one more. We're moving. It didn't do anything. Let's go. We put like 300 back in. Oh shit. 250. It was fun. It should start paying again. We put a lot. What do you guys want? We're losing viewers. They got bored. Fucker. All right, let's go. Vámonos. Move. Yeah, we're moving. We gave it enough. It was good to us. We still got that ticket that it gave us, remember? That's the first time I've seen a ticket fight. Okay, let's go see if we can find Firelink. I'll show you guys the place, okay? There's Caveman Kino. I'll really chase everybody away. Okay, we got everything. Dragon is. I haven't been back here. Oh, Buffaloes. They have a lot of like Lightning Link. They have a lot of Dragon Links. Look, that whole board back there. Luxury line, and then a sports bar. I think they do the sports betting right there. And then all these old ones, like Golden Bong. Oh shit, this place is